How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So if you want to turn off the end-to-end encryption in Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application. Once you open up your Messenger, you need to go for the upper left, which has that three-bar icon. Tap on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Go for end-to-end encrypted chats, and here you can go for message storage. And under this, if you have an option of remove end-to-end encryption, then you might simply tap on it, and then your end-to-end encryption will be removed. But if you don't have that remove option, then you just need to simply go back, and under Settings you need to scroll down, tap on Help, or you can go for Report Technical Problem. Tap on Report Technical Problem and tap on Report Anyway, and you can include or don't include, and it will take you to the report a problem page where you need to simply write that I'm not being able to remove my end-to-end encryption on my Facebook Messenger, so please help me with that problem. And once you've written, you may get some help or guidelines on how you can remove it. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.